यार कोई चंगा या मोबाइल ही दवा दे यार, सस्ता होवे सस्ता।
Hey, can you suggest me a great phone with cheaper price? For all those questions, this video is the right answer. So let's review the Huawei Y5 2017. You can get this phone in India with the price tag of 8,500 online, as well as 15,000 rupees in Pakistan. Let's open its price invoice. Yes, let's check out the cell phone itself, and earphone jack, and the power buttons. Yeah, on the left you get the quick access button. On the rear you get the 8 megapixel cam with dual flash. On the front you get 5 megapixel cam with LED flash, and further you'll get the quick start guide and all the same stuff like the hands-free and quick charger, not the quick charger. Yes, and the other specs of this phone is the 5.0 IPS display with the 720p resolution. It has a 3000 mAh battery, and it comes with 2 GB RAM and 16 GB internal memory. You can expand this memory to up to the 128 GB with a memory card. Looking towards the hands-free, it's a simple hands-free with a call, select or reject button on it, and not the in-ear type hands-free. Okay, and this is the simple USB micro USB cable, not the Type-C USB cable. It's a warranty card. Yes. Okay, take this aside and look towards the cell phone. As I said, it has a 5.0 IPS display. Let's turn it on and check what the OS we get out of the box. Alright. Well, it's a great phone with our great RAM capacity. That's a 2 GB RAM and bigger batteries. All that's come with all the Huawei phone. And the display is a brilliant display also. Let's check out. Turn it on. Alright, checking the Android version, EMUI, that is the user interface, and it comes with a 6.0 Android version. Alright.